Let's see how we can make up to $200 in today's video. Okay, so we will be analyzing each of these assets together and see how we can make some good amount of profit from this particular um, analysis. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to QDC. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys, I will be using the 3M trend milk trading indicator to do my analysis right here. And of course, guys, I'm on 5 minute time frame. So let's see how we can go about it. So this is from 1000, and of course, this had been on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend. And why? Okay, because most of you will still ask me that question. If you should notice, it went on downtrend right from here and got to this region, and it had a pullback from there, and of course the pullback got to this section, and right from there it went back down again to get to this particular support zone. And of course, if you should notice the movement and the chart pattern on the chart, okay, you will notice that this came down, went up, came down, and the next movement should be the last leg of the letter W, so which means it's going to be an uptrend, and that is why it went on uptrend. Okay, so you can see that the indicator is actually giving us the right information about the charts. Okay, and that is why we got a trend signal around here, and of course a buy signal. And if you had followed the signal, even if you don't know about the chart pattern, if you had followed the signal, you should be in big profit right now. Okay, so this has actually got into the resistance zone. You can see it got there around here and got there around there. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will be getting to this particular spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it should come down. Okay, it should come down at least till to this level, sorry, to this level. Then it can now go back up, then come back down again to try out this support zone. And of course, once it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this region. And of course, once it breaks out from there, we expect to get to this. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys can take advantage of all these highlighted areas to make the market for yourself. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset, which happened to be boom 500. Okay, so boom 500 had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback and went back up. Okay, so it has gotten to a new resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then it should sell. And of course, we expect it to sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay. And once it breaks out from that spot, then we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, this spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should get to this spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of all this right from here. Okay, now let's move on to crash 1000. Okay, so this is crash 1000, and this had been on downtrend right from there, got to this spot, played around there for a while, but broke out around there, and of course it has gotten to a new support zone again. But this had been more of a downtrend because it has been breaking out from most of the support zone. So if it breaks out from here again, then definitely it means it's going to sell more. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout. Once it breaks out from here, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then definitely we expect it to buy till it gets to this particular spot again. So we should take note of that. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. Now let's move on to the next asset, which will happen to be the last one for today. It's crash 500. Okay, crash 500 had been on uptrend for a while, got to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. If you should notice, this actually gave us a letter M, which got to this particular got it back to this particular support zone, and it was unable to break out from there. So it started an uptrend again, and that is also forming a letter W. And of course, it's going to buy till it gets to this particular spot. And if once it breaks out from here, sorry, once it breaks out from there, then definitely it will try out this resistance zone and see if it will be able to break out from the resistance zone. And if it breaks out from that resistance zone, then you will have to check out the higher time frame to see the next resistance zone. But if it does not break out from this particular resistance zone, then it's going to come and try out this particular support zone again and see if it can break out from there. And if it breaks out from there, then it will be coming down, and we are most likely to get it around the spot again. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can take advantage of all these analysis right now and use it to make the market for yourself. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And you can also drop a question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.